Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to check out a tool that is really convenient if you work on project cars like me, or just as a tool for your everyday life as a car owner. This is the Pelsee 2-in-1 jump starter. It's a jump starter for a car and a compressor to reinflate your tires. So let's check it out. Okay. It comes in a nice carrying pouch, not too heavy. Like that has the logo on the front too. Well, let's start with the unit itself. Got a elastic strap holding it in. And here's the jump starter itself. Nice textured front. That feels nice. A nice big display. And some buttons. We have flashlight, our air compressor output, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. The USB-C port is the input for charging. And then we have 2 USB-A outputs. Oh, looks like I turned it on. And then right here, our jump starter lead connector. Press our flashlight button while we're here. You have to press and hold. Yep. Decently bright. Press again, it flashes. Press it again. That's flashing SOS. And it flashes in red as well. It can be useful as a warning light if you break down. And that's it. Okay. I also like that it has a carrying strap built in. That's all a nice touch. And over here we have our jump starter leads with our adapter. Plug this in. There we go. When you plug it in, the lights on the adapter come on. And that fits really securely. And right here we have our tire inflator hose. It's a nice rubber grip here, and that just screws in right here. We also have a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge this, some additional adapters for the compressor portion, and a user manual. All right, so now that we've checked out everything that's included, let's go test this out and jumpstart a car and top up some tires. So this is a 2001 Mercedes S-Class, and it's been sitting a little while because it's an upcoming project for the channel, so we're gonna jumpstart it. Now with the E1 jump starter, we're gonna use the jump start leads, and the whole interface to use the jump starter is essentially contained in this box. The display is for the tire inflator, and we're just gonna be working on this. So you don't have to interact with the screen once this is connected. You'll see the lights blinking here, red on this side, green on this side, and when the green light turns solid, it's ready to jump. Now something else to note is this has a 3500 amp peak output, so that's good to know. All right, we're gonna clip it onto these two here, starting with the positive. Okay, there we go, light's green. Oh, light fell off. There we go, light is green. Hit unlock. Open this up. And there we go. It's been sitting, so the airmatic system is not very happy. And once that's done, you just unplug it, disconnect it, and that's how you jump start a car with it. But now that the car is running, it has aired up, and it's going to be ready for me to work on it very soon. All right, that's good. One tip I have when you're jump starting any car is turn the headlights off, turn the HVAC system off, so the AC, the fans, turn all that off, and turn the radio off. And that'll help have less draw on the battery and make it easier for the jump starter to start the car. You also want to make sure this jump starter is at least 50% charged before you jump start a car, or at least 75% charged in cold weather to get the best results. So now let's test out the tire inflator portion. So this screen is the display for the tire inflator. We got a 4-bar display for our battery, got a pressure display, units, and mode. So this comes with 4 modes. We've got car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and ball mode. And these all have different default inflation pressures. And then we have the bar or PSI button, which can let us toggle through 4 different units. So you got bar, PSI, kilopascals, and kilograms per centimeter squared. I'm going to switch to PSI. And then with the plus and minus buttons, we can set the target inflation level. I'm going to be doing this trailer tire, so we're going to set it to 40. And we can connect our air hose, just screw it on right here. There we go. And we're gonna pop the chuck on the tire. So there we go. We can read right here. Looks like it's reading 35 psi. Let's start. Press and hold. You can see the pressure in real time. Let me see, I wonder if you could turn the LED light on. Yep. And it should stop automatically when it reaches the target. All right, there we go. And we are done. Looks like it stayed, feels like it stayed pretty cool. It's actually 90 degrees out right now, so that is nice. And yeah, and it was nice that you can actually turn the flashlight on while you're inflating, so if you ever need to top up your tires at night, you can. It makes it a lot easier. And then the screen auto shuts off after a little delay. There you go, see? So, there you go. Then it also has 2 USB outputs. Both USB outputs are USB-A, and the input is USB-C. The blue USB port can output 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. The black USB output is 5 volts at 2 amps. And the total capacity of the charged battery pack is 20,000 milliampere hours. So that's the Pelsee 2-in-1 jump starter. The functionality is really good, so being able to jumpstart your car and top up your tires is really convenient if your project car's been sitting for a while, or you want to check your tire pressure as the seasons change before going on a road trip, or you just have a weak battery. And the 74 watt-hour capacity as a battery bank is also very nice. So if you have it with you and your phone runs down while you're on a big road trip, you can just top it up with this. I want to say a big thank you to Pelsee for sending this to me to review. And if you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.